Come here, Nala. Hi. Say hi. Oh, what's that sound?
No.
Gentle. Tell her gentle. She'll respond.
Gentle.
Well, maybe not.
Gentle.
Just don't let her jump on you. Remember, say off. Remember what I told you about cross your arms and turn the other way. There you go. See?